Hello everybody, welcome to Elite Weather. I'm Mr. G, your meteorologist, and we're going to be taking that tour across the country as we look at all of the active weather spots across America today and at this current time that I'm recording this video, because after I edit it might take me a little bit to get it up there. But here is the current weather conditions across the country, and we're going to take that tour, and we're going to start down across the southwest and in Southern California. We're going to take a look at the heavy rain that's falling with the atmospheric river, and then we're going to go from there. So let's jump to it. Take a look at our first trouble spot where we're seeing a lot of wet weather still at this time falling across Southern California. Okay, so the first stop on our journey is going to be in Southern California, where we're still looking at a lot of rainfall out there, a lot of showery weather at this time, as we still have some showers and thunderstorms, especially over Imperial County, just east of San Diego right now. We're seeing a nice area of some heavy rain, that some thunderstorms down here across South Central California near Imperial County. That there is the Salton Sea, so that is like one of the saltiest lakes in the country right now. So we're seeing that very heavy rain down there across San Diego, getting a little bit of break around the city, and now we're here across National City right now, but we are seeing some showers here near Los Angeles County. We're seeing some rain here near Santa Monica. We got an area of showers. Another batch of rain is about to come on shore around Redondo Beach, Santa Monica, and Hermosa Beach, Malibu. In those areas, we're going to be seeing some showers. And we got some showers moving across the Southern California mountains, the Tehachapi's, the San Gabriel Mountains, some showers there near Pasadena, and then over towards Pomona and Ontario, Chino, and Montclair. We're seeing some showers and some rain showers right now. And there are also some showers moving across the Death Valley area, where we got a lake, the Death Valley Basin there. There's a lake that is not, it's just going to be temporary, so, but there's some you can do some kayaking. There's no fish in that lake, so you can't fish there. There's nothing to fish, but it is a result of all the excessive amounts of rain, and that lake will be very temporary, because once the rain stops, that lake will eventually dry up here pretty quickly. But we do have a nice little lake out there over Death Valley, where we typically, it's the driest place on earth, one of the driest places on earth, but we're seeing that lake out there from all the rainfall and snow melt over in the mountains. So again, just something to see out there. Something you don't normally see is the lake out over Death Valley. So again, a lot of rain still here falling, a lot of showery weather, but some of these showers are heavy at times with some thunder as well. So we have some rain and thunderstorms down here across Southern California. So let's slide up the coastline, up I-5 to Northern California, and take a look at what's going on over that region. See the rainfall over northwestern California and the snow in the Sierra Nevadas. So here we are now over Northern California, where we're looking at another trough in the atmosphere, and that trough is promoting some rainfall over northwestern California, here over Crescent City, and also up towards the Oregon border. But we got another area of showers down here north of San Francisco, and that's going to be bringing some showers across, maybe over towards Sacramento as well, and into the Sierra Nevada. We're going to be looking at some snow, and there's that heavy snow. And let's go over across and take a look at the Sierra Nevadas, where we're going to be looking at that snow still, where we can pick up 18 inches of additional snow. So as we're taking a look now at the Sierra Nevada, where we're seeing snow fall at this time over the higher elevations of the Sierra Nevada. We're also seeing some snow over there around Lake Tahoe, near Truckee, Mammoth Mountain as well. We're seeing some snow. So we still got a bit to go for the snowfall here, and we're going to look at up to 12 to 18 inches more of snow across the Sierra Nevada. We think begin to wind down with this episode of the atmospheric river and this current winter storm moving across the state of California. So let's go see what else we can find going on across the country, to zoom in and maybe share a little bit of information, let you know what's going on with that. Okay, so now in the Pacific Northwest, we're looking at some rain here across parts of Washington and Oregon. Seattle, we're seeing some rainfall right now, and we're also seeing some rain down in Portland as well. So we're looking at some rain and then some snow there across the Cascades. Mainly this is a warmer storm system. So we have like the two parts. We have a southern stream, we have our northern stream here, but we are looking at mountain snow with more rain down in the valleys and along the coastline as well. So we're seeing those showers from the U.S.-Canadian border into British Columbia, all the way down to Oregon and Northern California. So a lot of rain is falling across the western United States. We're looking at snow there over the interior portions of Oregon and Washington, and into Idaho we're seeing some snow showers. And we're going to go down through the Rockies and take a look at what we're seeing snow falling across the Rockies right now as well. Okay, so here's snow we got right now falling across parts of northern Nevada and into Utah as well. We're looking at some snow along the Wasatch Range near Salt Lake City and Ogden. We're seeing some snow over the Weber Basin, and we're seeing that snow over into Colorado as well. Some snow coming into southern Wyoming, and so we're going to be seeing those snow showers shifting off to the east as that moisture is going to be making its way into the upper Midwest. So we're going to be seeing that moving all over into Missouri and Iowa and parts of Kansas and Oklahoma. And we're going to be seeing those thunderstorms developing later today. And we're going to see that severe weather as well. And that severe weather is going to be also through parts of Illinois and Indiana. And this is that moisture that's going to be producing that severe weather as it moves out of the mountains and across the plains. So get ready, guys, if you're in the Midwest, because all of this action is headed your way, and we're going to see those thunderstorms develop potentially later. But with thunderstorms, it's always a big what if. A lot of ingredients and things have to come into play and fit together just right to trigger those thunderstorms. But we have a piece of energy here coming out of the Rockies that's going to be moving into the upper Midwest, and we're going to be bringing those severe thunderstorms possibly across the plains later today and tonight in the upper Midwest. So let's take a look and move further to the east and take a look at what we're going to be seeing that severe weather across Missouri and Iowa and down up into Illinois as well. So here we are across the Midwest right now, where we're just about Illinois and Wisconsin here, but we got some showers moving off there because there's a warm front moving up from the south out of Illinois and Indiana that's moving across the state of Wisconsin, and that has triggered some rain showers here in and around Lake Michigan. So Green Bay, we're seeing some showers moving up towards your area, down towards the Milwaukee area. Chicago, those showers are just off to your north and east, and that's going to be spreading across over into Traverse City, Michigan, maybe down through Grand Rapids and Miles City. So if you're over across the Lake Michigan in Michigan, you're going to be looking at those showers headed your way and those thunderstorms as well. So we're going to be looking at that weather making its way across into the upper Midwest. Now let's go further a little bit down towards Missouri, because that's where we're going to see our severe weather threat later today. Okay, so here's a good look at what we're going to be seeing today. And see this here, this inside, it's not really filled in color, but this outline here, you can see the outline. This is where we have our mesoscale discussion. So this is where we're going to see that severe thunderstorm potential here across Illinois and Indiana, and then again across Missouri. We're going to see that potential for severe thunderstorms here. You can see this area right here. We're going to see that potential there for some severe thunderstorms later on today and into the nighttime hours tonight, where our primary threats are going to be damaging winds and large hail as we have those severe thunderstorms potentially developing, because there's nothing there, not a whole lot of action taking place down in this region right now, but I don't think I see it on the camera. So we're going to have to adjust the map so you can get that other area where we have that potential for that severe weather. So this area right here, Just to near the Missouri and Arkansas state line is where we have the other potential for some severe weather. So Joplin, Missouri, as well as down towards Oklahoma there, Kansas, not Oklahoma, yeah, Kansas. So Independence, Kansas, as well as Tulsa, Oklahoma. You're also in that marginal risk category for some severe weather, and we're going to be seeing that down across southern Missouri near Arkansas. We're going to be seeing that potential for that severe weather. Damaging winds and large hail is going to be the primary threat, but we can't ever rule out an isolated tornado as well. So we're going to be looking at that potential there for some severe weather. And naturally, we're going to see some heavy rainfall with some of these thunderstorms as well. So that's about all that's taking place across the country right now. For the most part, with all the action in the Rockies, and we have the snow in the Sierra Nevada, the rain in Southern California, and the rain in Northern California up into British Columbia. All the action is on the western half of the country, with the exception of this activity throughout the Midwest. But the east is pretty quiet right now, so there's nothing over there to talk about at this time. So thank you for joining me on this video as we went on this quick tour to talk about the current things taking place at this time, as well as a look at what this is going to develop into. So thank you for joining me today. If you're on TikTok or YouTube, leave your likes, comments, and feel free to subscribe to the channel, and have a great day. Bye-bye.